Hello and welcome to week 2. As with every week, you're going to want to start with your overview. This overview is going to explain, the nature of this particular week. This week we are working on summary. Summary is one of the more difficult tasks that we do as writers because we really need to think about taking something we've read and putting it 100% into our own words. And even when we summarize it, if it's a source, we need to cite that source. So this is a skill that you want to practice and get better at as you go through your college courses. Of course, this is going to tackle some of our course outcomes and objectives. And this gives you your reading and viewing assignments. You've got how to read effectively, annotating texts, writing summaries, how to paraphrase skillfully, how to document sources, and really writing again is the text that you're going to work on summarizing. And then as before with Module 1, you'll notice the pattern that we've got our discussion with one response, that initial response to the prompt due Thursday, 2 replies due by Saturday. You've got your summary due by Sunday, and your second writing journal is due on Sunday. All right, so here are your texts. You're going to move through those. Again, they are all linked for you. But when you get to really writing again, this is going to be the basis of your summary, so you're going to want to read it carefully. I suggest that you annotate it, but remember, your goal in a summary is to repeat the main points of this in your own words. If you have a part that you just really need to capture in the words of the author, you need to put that in direct quotation marks and cite it. But that is your goal for this week, is to summarize that article. All right, so you've got your discussion forum this time. This gives you a little bit of practice. You're going to read a text and summarize that. And again, a short summary in 3 or 4 sentences. After reading the text, what do you still want to know about the topic? What point raised in the text did you find interesting? So you're just going to move through these questions. You're going to go ahead and post your initial response to these 4 questions, or these, 4, kind of, some of them are multiple questions. And then you're going to reply to at least 2 classmates. And you want to remember, you want these replies to be substantial, to show insight, to, not just, praise your classmate, but also comment in a way that engages in the conversation that's been started by that initial post. All right. And then you're going to write your summary. And again, you're going to focus in on that particular piece. You're going to, hopefully work through the summary in stages. First read and annotate, draft a summary of it, revise that, and finally, polish before posting. Here's your criteria for that summary. But again, a summary needs to be 100% in your own words. There should not be overlap with the original article. And if you do need to overlap, you need to place it in quotes and cite it properly according to MLA format. All right, and then you've got your writing journal. For your writing journal, you're going to, of course, move through those questions, writing a paragraph that reflects on how you read, write, and speak. Your journals, will be in paragraph format. You're looking at a 300 to 400 word response for these journals. If you have any questions over the course of the week, don't hesitate to ask.